Welcome. My name is Mohammed Bon, and today I'm going to tell you how can we install and use MySQL in our Rails applications. By default, when you install Rails and Ruby, you will receive a package called SQLite. It's actually a database, a simple database, and it is designed for development and do some small and easy things. But when you are going to implement some bigger applications, you need to have a real database like MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, or whatever. Today, I'm going to help and I'm going to show you how can we install MySQL. Actually, there is something that I have to tell you, and it is I will install uh, MariaDB instead of MySQL. Let's see the change. MariaDB MySQL. They are all the same, but MariaDB is more scalable and offers a higher query speed when compared to MySQL. Also, it has many more features that you can, and I think it is preferable and it is better to choose MariaDB instead of MySQL. So let's start with installing MariaDB. I've got another link, but without this link also we can install, but it shows step by step structure to install MariaDB on Ubuntu. This one will update the apt. We don't need it because we already did. So let's go to the second step. Install MariaDB. The simplest command. Yes, the password is. So you see the terminal. Okay, MariaDB is installed and we should configure it. Next command. No, we don't have a root password, so press enter. Change the root password. Yes, we need a password for root. What can be whatever. It is just to record this video. So remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes or no? Yes. And also remove test databases. Yes. Yes. Done. It is already configured. And let's get into MariaDB to create a user. And this is MariaDB. So we are now installed MariaDB and we can configure it. And we can have a user to use in our application. This is the simple command. This is a MySQL command and we can create our user. What can be user 1? The password, the most famous password in the world. Okay, grant all on star.start to user 1 identified by password within grant option. Copy and paste. Okay, let's flush the privileges. Okay, now our user 1 has access to all of the databases, and we can use it anywhere. Let's exit. Done. We installed MariaDB and fully configured it. So we don't have anything to do more, but there is one thing. You know, to use the MariaDB or MySQL in Rails applications, we need to install a gem called MySQL 2. But before that, actually, we need to install a feature called libmysql, and it helps us to uh, install MySQL 2 gem. I will read it and write the command for you exactly. It's not a gem. Sudo apt-get install libmysql client -dev. Yes. So we can be a client to MariaDB or MySQL, and now we can install gem install MySQL 2. Okay, done. Let's create a project inside my desktop. So cd slash, as you might remember, cdnnt /c my drive C, and users is in my Windows, my username m1 and desktop. Okay, Rails new mb MySQL, and the database will be MySQL. It takes time to be finished, so I will pause the video to not waste your time, and then we can continue. Okay, done. Now we can run this server. Cd mb MySQL, start the server. Pretty cool. Localhost port 3000, and we will see an error. You know why? Because we didn't configure the database in our Rails application, I mean. So let's stop the server, get back to this one, config database exactly, and username user1, I think, and password was the famous password. Save. Also, we should create this database inside the MariaDB. Sudo MariaDB. Okay, create database. Done. Now let's get back and run Rails server. Did I save? Yes. Okay. If I refresh, done. Piece of cake, isn't it? So we installed Ruby on Rails, and we configured everything. We installed MySQL, and they are all in Windows actually. Now we can easily implement our web application or whatever we want by editing this folder. This is our project folder.